Hi guys, it's Shodia from Litehouse, your customer service specialist. I'm here today to answer your frequently asked question. So you just received your Lighthouse bulb string lights and realized some bulbs are not working. Good news is, it's highly unlikely it's a broken bulb, it's just the base of the bulb not connecting to the terminal. Disconnect your festooned bulb string lights from their power source to avoid electrical shocks. You are needing to lift the terminal inside the bulb socket slightly up in order to allow the terminal to connect with the base of the bulb. When lifting the terminal up, please make sure you don't lift it too high that you end up bending the terminal backwards and burning into the bulb base. Screw your bulb tightly back into the bulb socket and reconnect your lights. After reconnecting to your power source, test your lights and ensure all your bulbs are now lighting up and you can enjoy a better, brighter moment with Litehouse.